Flashback. Remember back in the days when you're a little boy at Jamaica and the man in the corner see you, I used to love trouble you about. Hey boy, come here, me cut out your seed. Mommy, stop him! Nah, play with you, you know. Go ahead!
Babe, can you check out the plug for me? My phone isn't charging. What's wrong, babe? What are you looking at? What's bothering you? Stop!
Alright, Drake, our grandma, so just go easy on her, please.
Yeah.
Alright.
Hey, you blood clot, come here.
I call her back. Yeah, daddy?
Me not tell you not to touch the toothpaste in the fridge.
Daddy, you don't.
Me not tell you to stop touching toothpaste in the fridge. Stop feeding the cockroach them and eat it.
Ah, dog, where them about to leave out now? My fault. Mommy, me can't. Yo, dog, me can't follow.
Why, dog?
Me have church.
But today is Friday.
Me a Muslim.
There is no other way to put it. Now it's time to face my kung fu fury. Ha 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 ha. Rubbish. You're no match against my junkin monkey style. Now it's time to die.
White kids be like, Mom! I want to go outside and play. No, Billy, you gotta finish your homework. You better let me. Billy, I said no. You better count your fucking days, bitch. Count your fucking days. Man, I do not. Rascal, you done, man. You're no size. Oh.
Mommy!
No, sorry.
No, I'm not really getting trouble from morning. I check on him now still. Yo, your mother asked you, oh, where the bumbo?
Yep, this is my life.
Yeah, but come for your son still, you know, and not bring him back. Why? Cause I'm a batty. This is how Jamaicans have sex. Hey, girl, still on! You love it? Eh? Take one. I want to drink water.
I remember I was walking one day and I see a nice African queen asking what's my age. I am 19. Says she want to eat this thing like something out of canteen. And I look on her and say, fire! Fire dirty lips! Fire in your cuckoo.
Yeah, I'm hungry and out this one. For you, I'm not caring. This can't share, you know. Ah, that's about it. Yeah, oh, you know. You mean a post joke. Do you like my bounce still? I say, I do. I do like people like that.
People not popping at the time. Pump up, you can hold your fine with your time. You wear your body kicking and your toes be a bit. Can know me, I tell a story, see a little shot. Go find your head, and you go sit down and bust a pass. I can't tell in a place, I'll kill it sentence. Can I look at tongue, she a shot.